Worst cars to avoid buying. According to Consumer Reports, when it comes to buying a car, everyone wants to make a smart choice. Nobody wants to spend their hard-earned money on something that turns out to be a disaster. But what if I told you there are cars out there that can make you regret your decision? Some cars might look great in advertisements or on the dealer's lot, but once you own them, the problems start piling up. In this video, I'm going to share the 17 worst cars that people avoid buying, as reported by Consumer Reports. Some of these cars are so bad that owning them could cost you a fortune in repairs. Stay with me until the end, because the last car on this list is so unreliable it's almost guaranteed to empty your wallet before you reach 50,000 miles. Let's get started with number 17. Number 17. Chevrolet Blazer. At first glance, the Chevrolet Blazer looks like a great SUV. It has a bold design and lots of tech features. But don't let that fool you. The Blazer is priced around $44,000, but it has serious issues. Owners report problems like engine stalling, electrical failures, and overall poor reliability, especially in models from 2020 to 2021. Its fuel economy is not impressive either, at just 20 miles per gallon. On top of that, it depreciates quickly, meaning its value drops fast. Insurance premiums are high, and crash test results aren't great. The Blazer might seem like a solid choice, but it's actually a risky and expensive vehicle to own. Number 16. Lincoln Aviator. Next on the list is the Lincoln Aviator, a luxury SUV that doesn't deliver what it promises. The Aviator costs between $53,000 and $88,000, which is a lot of money. You'd expect luxury at that price, but the Aviator has been plagued with reliability problems. Models from 2020 to 2024 have had recalls for serious issues, like electrical failures and faulty airbags. The fuel economy is another letdown. It only gets 18 miles per gallon. And when compared to other luxury SUVs like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7, it falls short in performance. If you're looking for a reliable luxury SUV, this one is a bad pick. Number 15. Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60 is a stylish SUV known for its luxury interiors and strong safety ratings. But looks can be deceiving. Priced at $53,000, the XC60 comes with a long list of problems. The 2024 model, for example, faced several recalls for transmission and engine issues. Fuel efficiency isn't great either, at 22 miles per gallon, and owners complain about problems with the infotainment system and driver assist features. Maintenance and repair costs are also high. While the XC60 has an elegant design, it struggles to provide good long-term value. Number 14. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T is an electric truck that grabs attention with its innovative design. Starting at $71,700, it promises off-road capability and futuristic features. But here's the catch. It has major problems. Owners report software glitches, suspension issues, and delays in getting repairs. Even though it has a decent range of 314 miles, the limited charging stations and unique connectors make long trips inconvenient. With multiple recalls for airbags and accelerator pedal issues, the R1T feels like a risky choice despite its high price. Number 13. Polestar II. At number 13 is the Polestar II, an electric car priced at $49,900. It combines a stylish design with hatchback practicality, but it's not as good as it sounds. Owners complain about frequent glitches in the Google-powered infotainment system and stiff suspension, which makes the ride uncomfortable. Its range of 270 miles lags behind competitors like the Tesla Model 3. On top of that, there have been recalls for battery problems. The limited number of service centers and high repair costs make it hard to recommend the Polestar II. Number 12. Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco is a rugged SUV built for off-road adventures. Starting at $39,600, it looks like a good deal for those who love outdoor trips. However, the Bronco has serious reliability issues. Models from 2021 to 2023 have been recalled for cracked fuel injectors, which can lead to fires. Owners also report noisy engines, transmission problems, and cheap cabin materials that wear out quickly. The fuel economy is terrible, averaging just 17 miles per gallon. While it looks adventurous, the Bronco isn't a great choice for everyday use. Number 11. Buick Encore. The Buick Encore is often praised for its compact size and comfortable ride. But despite its positives, the Encore has many issues. The 1.4-liter turbocharged engine is underpowered and struggles during highway driving. Owners report problems with the transmission, air conditioning, and electrical systems. Recalls for powertrain and airbag issues only add to the frustration. With high repair costs and outdated safety features, the Encore is hard to recommend, even though it starts at an affordable $26,000. Number 10. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango is known for its bold looks and strong performance, but owning one comes with challenges. Starting at $40,000, the Durango offers plenty of power, especially with its V8 engine. However, this power comes at a cost. Its fuel economy is terrible, averaging just 15 miles per gallon. Owners report engine failures, exhaust issues, and ticking noises. Safety scores are below average, and maintenance costs are high. While it's great for towing, the Durango's poor reliability makes it a tough choice for everyday use. Number 9. Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler is loved by off-road enthusiasts, but it's far from reliable. Priced at $33,000, it has issues with steering, suspension, and engine noise. Owners describe the steering as vague and unsafe for highway driving. There are also multiple recalls for problems like faulty fuel lines and airbag defects. The Wrangler's fuel economy is poor, and its ride is bumpy on paved roads. Unless you're using it strictly for off-road adventures, the Wrangler is not worth the trouble. Number 8. Jaguar FPace. The Jaguar FPace is a luxury SUV that looks stunning, but its performance doesn't match its price. Starting at $58,300, it faces reliability issues like electrical failures, excessive oil consumption, and faulty fuel pumps. Many owners complain about constant trips to the repair shop. Jaguar has issued recalls for brake problems and other safety risks. While the FPace drives well when it works, its high repair costs make it a headache to own. Number 7. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier is a mid-size truck priced at $29,000. While it has a rugged design, older models are known for transmission failures, engine issues, and defective airbags. Even the newer models, despite some improvements, fall short when compared to competitors. The Frontier's stiff ride, outdated interior, and disappointing fuel economy make it a less appealing option. Number 6. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid is a family-friendly minivan, but it has serious problems. Starting at $44,145, it offers great fuel efficiency, but suffers from reliability issues like battery failures and electrical malfunctions. Owners report frequent problems with the charging system, and several recalls have been issued. Maintenance costs are high, and many repairs remain unresolved. While it looks great on paper, the Pacifica Hybrid struggles in real life. Number 5. Volkswagen Jetta. The Volkswagen Jetta is advertised as an affordable sedan, starting at $21,995. But older models face problems like transmission failures and engine stalling. Recalls for fuel line and airbag issues have tarnished its reputation. While it has decent fuel economy, the cheap interior materials and lack of reliability make it hard to recommend. Number 4. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. The Range Rover Sport is a luxury SUV that comes with a hefty price tag, starting at $83,500. While it offers a comfortable ride and a luxurious interior, it has high maintenance costs and frequent repair issues. The complexity of its systems makes it expensive to own, and recalls for engine and transmission problems only add to the costs. Despite its premium feel, the Range Rover Sport struggles to justify its price. Number 3. Fiat 500L. The Fiat 500L might look quirky and fun, but it's far from practical. Priced at $24,000, it faces issues like engine stalling, transmission failures, and poor fuel efficiency. Recalls for suspension and airbag defects only add to its problems. The cramped interior and bumpy ride make the 500L a poor financial decision. Number 2. GMC Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra 1500 is a popular truck, but it has serious reliability problems. Priced between $38,945 and $86,900. It faces issues like engine troubles, transmission failures, and electrical glitches. Recalls for brake system failures and fire risks make it a risky choice. While it has good towing capacity, the Sierra's hidden costs make it hard to recommend. Number 1. Mitsubishi Mirage. Finally, the worst car on the list is the Mitsubishi Mirage. While it's one of the cheapest cars on the market, it comes with countless problems. The engine is weak and noisy, the interior feels cheap, and the ride is uncomfortable. The Mirage has been discontinued in the US, and for good reason. Its low price might seem tempting, but it quickly becomes expensive to maintain. These are the 17 worst cars according to Consumer Reports. While they might seem like good deals at first, their hidden costs and reliability issues make them cars you should avoid. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video for the best cars on the market.